Hello students, everybody attention here. Now today I am going to discuss with you an interesting poem, A Little Grain of Gold. A Little Grain of Gold poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now I am going to discuss with you about the author. Rabindranath Tagore was born in the year 1861 and died in the year 1941. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize, a multifaceted personality. Tagore was a writer, musician, painter, and educationist. He composed our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. He founded the world-famous educational center, Shantiniketan. His Nobel Prize-winning compilation, Geetanjali 1912, is a collection of song offerings celebrating the glory of God. Now I am going to read the poem, A Little Grain of Gold. I had gone begging from door to door in the village path, when thy golden chariot appeared in the distance like a gorgeous dream. And I wondered, who was this king of all kings? My hopes rose high, and methought my evil days were at an end. And I stood waiting for alms to be given unasked, and for wealth scattered on all sides in the dust. The chariot stopped where I stood. The glance fell on me, and thou camest down with a smile. I felt that the luck of my life had come at last. Then of a sudden thou didst hold out thy right hand and say, What hast thou to give to me? Ha! What a kingly gesture was it to open thy palm to a beggar to beg. I was confused and stood undecided. And then from my wallet I slowly took out the least little grain of corn and gave it to thee. But how great my surprise when at the day's end I emptied my bag on the floor to find a least little grain of gold among the poor heap. I bitterly wept and wished that I had the heart to give thee my all. About the poem. This poem is taken from the book Geetanjali, Song 50. It tells us an interesting parable. Parable means moral story. In this poem conveys a valuable message. It highlights the virtue of giving. The virtue of giving. Virtue means goodness of giving. In this poem, there are 5 stanzas. Now I am going to explain the poem, A Little Grain of Gold. One day, a beggar begging from door to door in the village path. Suddenly, he saw a golden chariot from a distance. He appeared like a king of all kings. The chariot came near to the beggar. The beggar felt, this is a gorgeous dream. His hopes rose high. At any way, my evil days are at an end. The beggar is waiting for alms. Alms means money, clothes, or food are given to the poor people. He thought, without asking the king, he scattered the wealth in the dust, because the king have a lot of wealth. The third stanza. Anyway, the golden chariot stopped where the beggar stood. The king came down with a smile and asked the beggar, What hast thou to give to me? Usually, everybody felt the king will give something to the beggar. But here, the king asked the beggar, What hast thou to give to me? This is the royal joke. This is the nobody expect like this. But the king asked the beggar. The beggar thought this is the royal joke because the king appeared like a king of all kings. This king asked me beg. Really, this is the royal joke. The beggar confused and stood undecidedly. Then the beggar took out least little corn from his wallet. Wallet means small bag. At the end of the day, the beggar shook his wallet on the floor. He found a least little gold coin among his poor heap. Heap means a pile of something. The beggar recollected his past thing and he realized his greediness. He wanted to give right now, but now no use. The beggar wept bitterly. In this poem, the king is a symbol of God. The king is a symbol of God. The king asked the beggar. The God wanted to test his devotees. The God wanted to test his devotees. We can learn a moral thing from this poem. If we want to able to receive from the others, we must able to give to the others. If we want to receive from the others, we must able to give to the others. Thanks for watching.